This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Hello everyone, welcome to AKSIAS. In this video, I want to help students how to plan one day while they have started UPSC preparation. So, so one day plan for an aspirant. You see guys, there will be students who will be taking coaching. There will be students who are completely preparing throughout the day. There will be people who will be working. Right? So you have three groups, and for all these groups, one day plan, basic thing that you all must follow on the basis of the category that you are in. You see, first, if you are taking coaching, your focus and your priority must be first to read newspaper consistently every day and read class notes plus standard book for that topic. To be frank, ideally your day ends with this. You won't be able to get more time beyond this. So initially you may take more time for newspaper. Over a period of time, for newspaper it may reduce, but once you start taking coaching for optionals as well, then things are going to change. So more classes, less number of hours to read. So people who are going for coaching, prioritize only reading newspaper and the things that are actually done. In most of the institutions, they just ask faculties to come from outside, take 1 week and go off. So only for 1 week if a faculty is coming and teaching, in that particular week itself, you must be clarifying all your doubts. So reading that topic at that time itself will be very helpful. So at AKS what we plan is we ensure one subject is taken at a time and it is completed, so that students in that 1.5 month, he would be able to talk to the faculty and clarify all the doubts that he has. But my suggestion to those people who are in different coachings, and if you are facing the difficulty in planning, because normally students come and tell, sir, I'm not reading anything, I'm not able to read NCERT, I'm not able to read anything. It's fine. Just give priority to this. And whenever you are in a coaching in different places, subjects keep changing. And remember guys, whenever subjects keep changing, you cannot stick to one subject. So one day plan should be to prioritize these two. For people who are preparing throughout the day, giving 8 hours per day is not difficult, but beyond that would be difficult. So I would say plan only for 8 hours, where minimum 1.5 hour for a newspaper and half an hour you can plan for reading monthly magazine. AKS provides you monthly current affairs magazine. You can rely on that and read one magazine completely. So 2 hours of this is done. Then you take two subjects. People have a question. So should we read only one subject at a time, or should we take two subjects at a time? Take minimum two subjects in a day, guys. One subject which you like and you're comfortable. Like, like I'm good in history, take that subject, read it easily. Other subject which you are not comfortable, that you take and read slowly, so that both would be completed on time. And after 15 days, you give schedule for yourself only for 15 days. After 15 days and after completing a significant portion, you can stop this particular topic, right? And then take another subject, read that for 15 days, right? And then come back to this, revise them and start doing other activities. So this is one most important thing that you must be doing. Then you have another one where working comes into picture. People who are working, guys, please understand, for you, time is an issue, and when you are free, when you are busy, matters a lot. So, weekend, when you have time, right, ensure your weekend you are taking one subject, and in one subject some topics which are together. For example, if I say polity, fundamental rights, DPSP, fundamental duties, you do it together on one Saturday and Sunday. Next week, next topic. Then weekdays, you plan for newspaper, and along with newspaper, you also plan one subject. Let the weekend subject and weekday subject be different. Take a subject which you like on the weekday, and in weekend take a subject which you are not comfortable and work on it. But newspaper is mandatory on this. Don't keep all the newspapers to be on weekend. It would be waste of time and efficiency will also be less. And you people, to reduce your time on newspaper, watch a video and then listen or read newspaper. It would take very, very less time. Fine. If you need further guidance, sir, along with this day-to-day plan, can you tell us, can you plan and give us what to read and what not to read? On the basis of our time, we are ready to do. We have a guidance program aimed at this. If you are willing to do your plan, it's fine. If you need support, you can contact us. We will be giving you complete guidance where day to day what to read and how you are performing, everything will be evaluated according to your convenience. Fine, guys? If you need any further details about these things, you can contact us. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.